My beloved, you are welcome back. God bless you for clicking on this video. On today's tutorial video, we will be sharing and showing you what we do to retain length, what we do to minimize hair shear and avoid breakage, unnecessary breakage totally. So if this is what you are interested in, keep on watching. If you are that fellow that your hair easily breaks when you are taking your hair down, when you washing your hair and you feel pain, you find it difficult to unravel your hair because of the um, the too much dryness and the product build up, this hair is for you to be sincere. This is the only way to avoid everything I just made mention of. So normally when we do pre-pull, you take your hair down or unravel it and do pre-pull whatever you feel okay with. But I do that sometimes, but on today's case I'm doing it in another way. The reason is, whenever I decided to take this process or use this procedure, use these teeth to take our hair down, that means I have detected danger. Okay, is that the right word? I have detected or sensed danger. So for this hair, it was having a lot of product build up at the base, as you can see. And to make it easy for me to take that and avoid breakage totally, is to get it saturated with this amazing put together flaccid gel made by myself. So the dryness or the level of the dryness of this hair, it will make it more fragile, prone to break, and painful to the owner of the hair. You can see what I am doing now. How careful, please just watch out everything I am doing. Don't just be listening to my voice, because this is where the taste actually is. So this process also help the hair and dryness. It revive it. It made the hair elasticity and stretching. Normally if your hair is dry, if you stretch it, it will break off. If hair is too soaked of any product, it become also too fragile and prone to break. But using this process or these things that I'm using now, the hair goes nowhere except the one that's actually destined to shed. No, I mean, you must get hair shed. So look at what I am doing. Normally you see that if I have taken this hair down without using this teeth or process, it is not possible for the coat to be more to be friendly to the hair like that. It is not possible for baby girl to be this tranquil, like no pay, like that. It won't be possible, and it will not be possible for that hair not to break unnecessary, even the one that never wanted to come off because of the dryness and the dragging and fragile and all of that. So this is why I said it doesn't matter the level of your hair length, because it is shorter hair that gradually become long length if you handle it properly and with love and care, just as we are doing now. You can see, so everything is made simple, like simple, like simple. I don't know, like simple is another statement with this procedure or with this test or process that we are using. I'm working with my baby girl, and that's his big sister sitting taking down her hair, and baby girl, both of them have started doing one of two things and be learning how all these things works. My two girls has been natural for complete 7 years exactly this year now, April this year. So if you agree with me that their hair is doing pretty good, their hair is especially this big sister that you are seeing here, my first daughter, she has not experienced hair breakage, not even once. But baby girl has experienced hair breakage because of one or two things we were not aware of, we never take serious, and then I found out that her hair was experiencing setback, and by special grace of God, after 2 years we are recovering again. Even as that, if you are used to my channel, you see that her hair is amazingly full and long. Okay, so agree with me that people like us, me, I've been natural for 9 years, my children 7 years. We have made all sorts of error. We have learned new things. We have known the do and the done of natural hair. Believe me, if I'm telling you now that this is the one of, in fact, this is the only way to stop unnecessary breakage, especially when you are taking your hair down like this. Is the best. There's no other way. Okay, so in the comment section, if you are still listening to me, I hope you are not jumping what I'm telling you now, because some people will jump and be asking me what I actually live here. So if you are still here, the product, the flaccid gel that I use to prepare this hair, I will leave the video in the comment section. Please watch it and see how I put things together. It's not just flaccid gel. I have my whole way of putting one or two things together in order to get the full benefit or effect of what that I'm looking for in any DIY product. Okay, so by special grace of God, I am so thankful for how far the Lord has brought us. We are for real, for real. I'm telling you, I look at my children here today, despite the money, despite the time invested, but I'm grateful because I'm seeing the evidence of the work. So before this video ends, let me repeat myself again to remind you that if you are that fellow that you are taking your hair down, it is paining you because the scalp is dry and the hair is super dry, and there's a lot of build up. This process, this or procedure is the best way. Is the best way. This is how I will be washing this hair, just as I session it. So people will be telling me, "Sir, listen, you don't, please show us how you wash your hair." I am sorry, I don't feel so cool in going to a bedroom, setting camera for complete minimum of 1 hour 30 minutes. I take time to wash hair. For children hair, I take 14 minutes. For my own, even more than 1 hour. So, and going half naked or wearing t-shirt to sit under the water to film, I'm sorry, but let me just summarize how I wash it. Normally, it's not different than every other person how they that value their hair. When people value their hair, they know what to do with it. Okay, so now that it's saturated, it's ready for wash. So here is just the thing I put together, but you might not understand here. That is why I say wash